Hi, I'm Ranjana Menon. I work with WRI Cities. I work on projects which are related to women's safety in public transport and with infrastructure projects related to non-motorized transport, specifically looking at cycling-related projects. My core interest has been urban areas and the issues that we deal with within urban spaces, and that's why I got into this field. Do we work on very socially relevant issues? We haven't been very successful in communicating with the larger audience. We generally tend to have the conversation with the same set of people who tend to be the academics or practitioners in the field. But unless you're able to connect with the larger audience, maybe sometimes you're not able to get your message across, and it's very necessary to interact with them. One of the reasons why we've not been able to interact with the larger audience is because of the form in which we do our projects, which is generally in terms of research reports or project reports, which do not appeal to a larger audience. I felt that doing a course on blogs, writing blogs, and maybe doing like good tweets and opinion pieces actually helps us to connect to the audience we've not been able to connect with. That was the reason why I came for the course. It's been great. Especially we had a first session on the Twitter account on using Twitter as a medium. And it's been great about how you can actually frame all your tweets and how you should actually go about it. And I think more importantly, it's actually given me the confidence on starting Twitter, though I've always had an account. I've never really had the confidence on tweeting by myself. I've always retweeted other people's ideas. This course has actually given me the confidence to start tweeting my own ideas and how I could go about that. With the blog post, it actually gave us some very good inputs on how we could actually frame our blogs and how we could think about it and go about writing it. Some really nice inputs on how we could actually use visual medium as well within blogs to actually gain people's interest and make them interested in continuing reading the form. I would say instead of a 2-day workshop, we could have looked at maybe a 3 or 4-day workshop because that would have given us enough time for all of us to write something and then for the team to kind of review it, get back to us, and then for us to kind of work on it based on the inputs we get. Right now, the way the course has been, it's slightly cramped, so not all of us get the attention that we would have liked to. The focus is only maybe on like a few people, and then we read out their blogs or the tweets that they have done. But it might help if all of us could get that attention so that everyone else could then maybe look at it and then understand what works and what did not work for what every person has written. That's all.